Helium is officially in price discovery mode after blowing through the 1.68 fib extension levels. Helium is also officially a top 50 coin by market cap. The recent price explosion has driven it to new all-time highs in the high 30s, but HNT is still on the move. Congrats to everyone who has been along for the ride. Let's take a look where this price discovery might take us. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on the Crypto Compound channel. Please hit the like and the subscribe on the way in to stay up to date on the latest Helium news and analysis. Of course, today's video we are going to be looking at this chart, HNT in full price discovery mode, approaching the $40 mark. I don't know if this move is over just yet. The question is, with this 1618 fib level being blown through yesterday or the day before or within the last 48 hours, the question is, where does HNT go from here? Of course, in price discovery, anything can happen. It is very difficult to tell where we might end up, where we might land. I do believe we are going to a new range here, probably in the $40 to $50 HNT price range. I think that we will be range bound there for some time after we exit this large breakout structure here. As you guys can see on the chart, I do have this info bar here that is actually a copy of the breakout from the previous breakout structure that I have shown you guys on the chart. As I've explained in previous videos, I believe that this is the one main breakout structure exiting this previous range for HNT. Then we entered into this area here between April and August where we were sort of range bound, and then we developed this breakout structure, which I believe is going to be the foundation for the push to the next range. Like I said, probably in the $40 to $50 range. That is my opinion. That is what I think. Of course, this is not financial advice. So if you look back here, what I did was I measured from the top of the 1618 fib extension level and extrapolated it to the all-time high on this run here. Of course, there are pullbacks here. That is expected. That is normal. We will see those. But the bigger picture is that we went from going through this 1618 level all the way up to this local high here. At the time, it was the all-time high, around $21, and that came off of a 1618 fib level of $6.90. So what I did is I cloned that structure and I bought it this way. This is probably the best bet that this is the only real thing I would use right now to try and gauge where HNT might land. I would be looking for it to hit this level here around $47 within the coming weeks. Of course, 40 is going to be a huge psychological resistance, and then after this, we'll come to this area here around the 47.5 range. This is just to give us an idea of what has happened in the past. Of course, nothing is final here. And then of course, the $50 HNT price will be the biggest psychological barrier that HNT will have to cross at some point. But this is really game-changing stuff. This run here, this is a 4-hour chart. This run here is really putting HNT on the map now as far as people in the crypto community that have not heard about it. If we go over to coinmarketcap.com, we can see that HNT Helium is at its best ranking ever in history at 48 out of 50 coins. It is currently the 48th largest coin by market cap, up 26% in the last 7 days, outperforming all of its other peers here anywhere in the range. A lot of these coins are flat or down a little bit. Some of them have been having pumps, but nothing like this 26% increase in 7 days. This is really putting HNT on new investors' radars. They are going to be doing their work, doing their research, checking out the coin, and I'm sure, as many of you know, they will discover that Helium is probably the most successful utility coin project to date. I can't find any other coins here in the top 100, top 200, whatever you want to call it, that have more of a utility, more of a function than Helium, and the progress and the growth is just exponential, and it's only just the beginning. So guys, that is all I had for today. Just a quick video to really jump in here, look at this chart, to say congrats to everybody for being here, being along for the ride, and being a part of this movement. But that is all I have for today's video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all so much for being here. Have a great day. But just like that, this video is over, and I'll see you next time.